sounds amazing. I've just gone down to 3 bars. There'll still be enough. It's only like 17 minutes away. And there's other petrol stations en route. Oh, look at that gorgeous red. Normally I'd associate red with an Italian bike. However, it's not Italian, it's Japanese. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah. Huh? Huh? That sounds insane. That bike sounds nuts. Back over for. I almost got squashed by that white van. That pickup, yeah, he pulled out on me and then swung back. Yeah. Yeah. I'd already braked enough for him to come out and he just went back and then was like throwing his hands up at me. Right. Oh, he's fucking going for it. I don't know how tight this bend is, so I'm not gonna give it beans. Oh, let's put all that. Where the fuck do I park? do. Look at some bikes quickly. This is probably the busiest day I've ever seen up at Whiteways. There's been so many bikes coming in and out. It's ridiculous. There's been tons. There were two very nice R1s which were quite similar, which came in and out. And there's also, I didn't realise, but there's I think it's gone now, but there was an Indian of do I go up and down Berry? I might go up and down Berry Hill. Too about the fuel. Well, that's definitely the lowest I've ever got. Felt a bit light on the old tyres there. I don't know how low that was, probably not very low, but that's definitely the lowest I've ever been. Or it felt like it anyway. £16 dead on. Lovely. You know what? I didn't even put my side stand down. I was about to dump it down then as well. Yeah, number 10 please. Cheers. Oh, I've just used my old card. Oh no, it's still got approved. Oh, cheers, thank you. Look at this gorgeous beast. Look at it. This beast is gorgeous and this beast is mine. There are many like this, but this one is mine. Somewhat along them lines anyway. Oh, my bike's snap, crackling and popping then. I can hear it.